In left side I have opened Python 2.7 shell. In right side I have opened Python 3.5 shell. In bottom side you can see the status of running process. Here you can see the percentage of CPU usage. Here you can see the percentage of memory usage. In Python 2.7, the range function returns actual list. See, it returns list. But in Python 3, the range function does not return list, but it returns a lazy object. So let me confirm that. So let me create a range. In Python 2.7, I am going to create a range. So I am going to save the output of this range function to variable a. So when I execute this statement, I am going to check the memory usage here. Okay, let me execute that statement. So here you can see the memory usage of Python process. See, it's 31 percentage. So let me find the sum of values in variable a. So when I execute this statement, we have to check here in the process status. So I execute that line. See, memory usage of Python process is 31.5. So let me show it again. I'm going to execute that sum again. So here you can see the percentage of memory usage, 31.5. So let me do the same thing here in Python 3. Let me create a variable and save the output of range. The same value I am going to use. Okay. So when I execute this line, we need to check here. See, there is that Python process we could not find here. So let me find sum of a. Press enter. See, memory usage is 0.5, 0.1 only. Is very less. Let me run this sum again in Python 3 and check here. See, memory usage 0.1 for Python 3 process. But if I do here in Python 2, enter. See, memory usage of Python 2 is 31.5 percentage. So that is a difference. So here if you print in Python 3, if you print a, see it's printing the lazy object. It does not create the actual list, but in Python 2 if you print a, it actually print the complete items. See, it's actually printing the items in the list. because it's actually created that list. That is a memory usage. That is why the memory usage is very high. See here, when you print that a in Python 2.7, you can see the memory usage here. See, so let me stop this. So if you do the same thing in Python 3, actually it's not printing the actually it's not printing the value from the list. So suppose if you want to do some calculation with the items in the list which we created. Okay, for example, I want to sum the items. Okay, so let me do create a variable c equal to 0. So I am doing it in Python 2.7. Then for x in a, for each item in a, I am going to do c is equal to c plus x into 2. So when I run this for loop, we have to check here in the process. Let me execute this. See, in this process you can see the memory usage of Python 2 process. It's 31.6. So when you print C, you can actually see the output. See, this is the output. Let me do the same thing here in Python 3. C equal to 0 for x in a, c equal to c plus x into 2. So when I execute this, we have to check here. Okay. See, the memory usage of Python 3 is 0.1. So that is the difference.